Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily allow or disallow custom Safari extensions in the private browsing mode in macOS 27 or later. Safari extensions can make browsing more convenient by adding useful features and customization options, but you may not always want them running during private browsing. In macOS 27 and later, you can choose whether your custom Safari extensions are allowed to work in private browsing windows. This gives you greater control over what extensions can access and how Safari behaves when you are browsing privately. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Safari app on your Mac. And then you have to hit the Safari menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose Safari Extensions option in the drop-down menu. Now ensure that the Extensions tab is selected at the top. And finally, you can choose to check or uncheck the box to the left of Allow in private browsing. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily allow or disallow custom Safari extensions in the private browsing mode on your Mac. It's worth pointing out that if you want your extensions to remain available while browsing privately, you can enable the option for individual extensions. And if you prefer a cleaner and more private browsing experience, you can simply turn it off as well. The choice is yours, and you can change the setting anytime based on your needs. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such cool macOS tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.